Question number 9. Yeah. For this question, we have two cases we need to switch. First case, second case, first case, second case. Yeah. So the first case is the fission case. Second case is no fission case. No fission case. All right. So for the fission case, y prime equals a y minus b y squared. Then another term, right? Yeah. Because population without fission, this part. With fission, because you need to catch some of the fish, so you need to minus h times y. Yeah. Then with the given constant values, 1 minus O2, so you have 0.8y minus y squared. So that's the fission case. For no fission case, then you do not have the, fish catching part, right? The last term. So you only have ay minus by squared. So your ODE is this. Two different ODEs. Then, based on the different stages, you apply different ODE. Yeah. Here, let me use a diagram to, represent, different phases. Yeah. 0, year 0, year 3, right? Year 6, and year 9. Yeah. This is the between 0 and 3, that's the fission case. Then no fission case. No fission case. Then fission again. All right, yeah. So you solve the fission case, you use the first ODE. With initial value y0 equals 2. Okay? Yeah. And the first ODE, okay? Yeah. Solve first ODE. Yeah. Can you get a solution? Let me call y1 of t. Okay? y1 of t. It's not hard, so you can find y1 of t. All right. After you find y1 of t, you need to know the value at year 3. So you need to calculate y1 of 3. Yeah. y1 of 3, that is the starting point of the second phase. Okay? No fission. And that solution, you use y2 represent. So y2 solution value at 3 equals the same y1 value. Okay? So y2, you have the initial value. So then you solve second ODE. Okay? With this initial value. Okay? Yeah. Then you get a y2, right? y2 of t. You can find y2 of t. But y2 of t, you want to have the value at the y2 of 6. That is the initial value of y3 of 6, right? Yeah. Yeah. So you start a third phase, fission again. So you use the new initial value, but this time you need to solve first ODE again. again with this initial value. So you get a y3 of t. Yeah. So this is our final solution. Okay. Final solution. Okay. Between year 6 and year 9. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Yeah. So based on this understanding, yeah, when you do calculation, you know, calculate it carefully. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Yeah. So that's all 4 hints you asked me to do. Yeah. So not too hard. Yeah. So I think you should be okay. Yeah. All right. Let me